Hi everyone, this is Komal from Ashirwad Jaipur. We are back with our all new collections in cotton quad sets. As the summer season is going on, so giving you quad sets. This you can wear for your little small functions, or you are going for some outings, you can always wear these cotton quad sets. All these designs are manufactured by us, so wholesalers can also contact. For any orders or queries, contact us on 960-2265-888. I repeat, this is our one and only number on which we take orders. It is 960-2265-888. So let's start with our first design. This is our first design in cotton quad set. Just have a look at the shirt. This is the shirt with all buttons open. We can open all the buttons. These are openable. Just have a look at the sleeves. 3/4 sleeves. And this is the loose pants. This is pure cotton, very nice quad sets. Sizes are 38 to 50. 38 to 44 size is for 1395 and 46 to 50 is for 1495. This is for 1395 and 1495, two prices for this. Now this is the second design in cotton quad set. This is with this half buttons, not the full one. This is the second design. This is the sleeves. Pure cotton, very nice fabric. This is the pant. In this also sizes are 38 to 50 and the price is the same. 38 to 44 is 1395 and 46 to 50 is 1495. You all can always check our website for the orders. This is another design in cotton quad set. Just have a look. This is the button only at the top, like the one I'm wearing. Only the button at the top. And this is the pant. Pure cotton, 38 to 44 is the size in this. In this we have only 38 to 44 and the price is 1395. Now this is another design in cotton quad set. Just have a look at the print. Collar neck. This is the sleeves, 3/4 sleeves in all, pure cotton fabric. This is very nice. If you are going for some outings or somewhere out, you all can always buy and wear. This looks very trendy and smart. In this we have pockets also. In the pants, all the pants pockets are there on both the sides. In the pants there is pocket on both the sides. 38 to 44 is the size available and price is 1395. Now this is another print. Just see the neck. 38 to 44 is the size and only 1395 for this pure cotton quad sets. This is another design, another print. This is with the full buttons. Few have only the buttons still here and in this there are full buttons. Sizes are 38 to 44. And the price is only 1395. Now this is another print, another design with these pom-poms in the center. These are all very, very beautiful designs. This looks very trendy and smart, the one I'm wearing. This also I'll show you. Just have a look at this one. This has also got these kind of pants. 38 to 44 is the size and 1395 is the price. This is another beautiful print in cotton quad sets. Very trendy, very summery. 38 to 44 is the size and 1395 is the price. Now few designs in muslin. This is a muslin fabric top with this buttons in the center. 3/4 sleeves again. And this comes with this pant. In this both the sides pockets are there. In all the quad sets, both the sides pockets in the pants. In this we have sizes from 38 to 44 again and the price for this is only 1595. In this we have two colors. One is this pink. Just see, this is the pink and second is this blue. Only 1595 is the price. Beautiful quad set in muslin fabric. This is another design in muslin fabric. with this button like the one I'm wearing. You can always wear these kurtas as a top also. इसको आप लोग अपनी जीन्स पैंट्स के साथ टॉप की तरह भी पहन सकते हैं. And you can always team up with the quad sets like this. This becomes a quad set, and if you wear this with the jeans or some pants, this looks very trendy and smart. 38 to 44 is the size, and only 1595 is the price. And also I'll like to show you these shirts. I am getting many queries for these shirts, so one by one I'll show you this. These are only shirts, no bottoms with this, only shirts. You can team up with any of the pants or the denims. Just have a look. 38 to 44 is the size, and only 995 is the price. Only 995 is the price for these shirts. This is cotton linen fabric. This is pure cotton linen fabric shirts, only for 995. I'll show you the prints. One is this. Second is this. There is different pattern in all. Just have a look at the sleeves. These are plain sleeves. Simple normal 3/4 sleeves. And now look at this. This is with the puffy sleeves. Very nice designer sleeves in this shirt. And this is high-low. Just have a look. This is a little high-low shirt. And buttons in the center. Only 995 is the price for these cotton shirts. Cotton linen. This is the second print. Now this is also a puffy sleeves. Just have a look at the sleeves. Very nice designer sleeves. Cotton linen fabric. And only 995 is the price. This is another print. High-low pattern. Puffy sleeves and front openable front. You can always open and wear. You can wear a spaghetti inside and open and wear it as a shirt. Simple normal shirt. 995 is the price. And now this is a top. This is normal top with a designer neck and a designer cut in the sleeves. See the sleeves. It has got this cut, slant cut. So this is just a top. For the pants or the denims, you can always team up. 995 is the price for this. At the end, the one I'm wearing is also a quad set. This also you can wear as a top with the jeans, but I am pairing it up with the pants as a quad set. We have two colors in this. One is this peachish color and second is this blue color. Just have a look. Very nice, pure cotton. I just feel like I'm not wearing anything. This is so lightweight fabric. It feels like I'm not wearing anything. Very nice and comfortable fabric. And pockets on both the sides. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is only 1395. Only 1395 is the price. Two colors. Please book fast and give us some time for your queries to be resolved. Thank you so much everyone. At the end, I would like to say, please, you all can book from our website directly. It is ashirvadjaipur.in. It is ashirvadjaipur.in. Please go and visit our website. You all can order from there directly. You don't need to come on the WhatsApp. Wait for our answers. You all can directly order from our website. Thank you so much, everyone. COD is also available on our website. Thank you so much.